Welcome to today's quick guide on how to pin a chat on WhatsApp web using the new update. If you often use WhatsApp on your computer, this little feature can make your life so much easier. Whether you're managing work conversations, staying in touch with close friends, or keeping up with important projects, pinning your favorite chats keeps them right at the top of your chat list, just like on your phone. First things first, open WhatsApp web on your browser. You can do this by going to the official WhatsApp web page and scanning the QR code with your phone. Once your chats appear on the screen, you'll see your familiar conversations list, just like on the mobile app. Now, look through your chat list and find the conversation you want to pin. It could be a friend, a family group, or a work team, anything you need quick access to. Move your mouse over that chat, then simply right-click on it. A small menu will pop up right next to your cursor. From that menu, click Pin Chat. The moment you do, that conversation will jump straight to the very top of your chat list and stay there, no matter how many new messages you get from other chats. This is super helpful if you need to keep an eye on a particular conversation without scrolling endlessly. If you ever want to unpin it later, it's just as easy. Right-click the pin chat again, and you'll see an option that says Unpin Chat. Click that, and it will go back to its normal place in the chat order. This new update makes WhatsApp Web even more convenient for multitasking and organizing your messages, especially if you spend a lot of time working on your computer. Small updates like this one really bring WhatsApp Web closer to the full mobile experience. So now you know how to pin a chat and never lose track of your most important conversations again.